Civil Service Exam Reviewer, Idioms. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. When the deadline got tight, Liam finally had to bite the bullet and finish the report. A. Avoid the task. B. Complain loudly. C. Face something difficult. D. Ask for help. The correct answer is letter C. Face something difficult. Bite the bullet means accepting something tough or unpleasant and doing it anyway. During the team meeting, Shara cracked a joke to break the ice. A. Make people feel more comfortable. B. End the meeting. C. Point out someone's fault. D. Change the topic. The correct answer is letter A. Make people feel more comfortable. Break the ice means doing something to ease tension or awkwardness. When Noel explained why the project kept failing, he hit the nail on the head. A. Made a wild guess. B. Identified the exact issue. C. Avoided the real reason. D. Started an argument. The correct answer is letter B. Identified the exact issue. Hit the nail on the head means describing a problem perfectly. Tina accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise evaluation. A. Hid information. B. Revealed a secret. C. Told a lie. D. Asked a risky question. The correct answer is letter B. Revealed a secret. Let the cat out of the bag means unintentionally sharing hidden info. Caleb called another meeting just to make sure everyone was on the same page. A. Disagreeing. B. Lost in discussion. C. Understanding things differently. D. Sharing the same understanding. The correct answer is letter D. Sharing the same understanding. On the same page means agreeing on the same idea or plan. Rena's canceled presentation turned out to be a blessing in disguise. A total failure. B. Something bad that became good later. C. A lucky guess. D. A sudden meeting. The correct answer is letter B. Something bad that became good later. A blessing in disguise means something that seems negative at first but ends up beneficial. Everyone kept asking Gilo to spill the beans about the new project. A. Hide the truth. B. Make assumptions. C. Reveal the secret. D. Get angry. The correct answer is letter C. Reveal the secret. Spill the beans means revealing confidential information. After many failed attempts, Hazel finally threw in the towel. A. Asked for help. B. Made a new plan. C. Quit or gave up. D. Took a break. The correct answer is letter C. Quit or gave up. Throw in the towel means accepting defeat. Marcus submitted the files. So now the ball is in Jade's court. Someone else has responsibility. B. Everyone must cooperate. C. Nothing more can be done. D. A conflict is starting. The correct answer is letter A. Someone else has responsibility. The ball is in your court means it's someone else's turn to act. Ella had to burn the midnight oil to finish the monthly report. A. Sleep early. B. Work late into the night. C. Skip the task. D. Have a long meeting. The correct answer is letter B. Work late into the night. Burn the midnight oil means staying up late to work or study. Did you get 10 out of 10?